In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted task in Asana. If you've ever accidentally deleted a task and felt that instant panic, don't worry. Asana actually gives you a window of time to get it back, as long as it was deleted within the last 30 days. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to successfully restore that task so you can get back to work without losing important information. Start by opening your Asana workspace and looking at the top of your dashboard. You'll see a search bar running along the top. Click directly on that search bar. Even though you might usually use it to find existing tasks or projects, we're going to use it to access a more powerful search view. Once the search menu opens, look for an option called Advanced Search. This might appear as a link near the bottom of the drop-down, or as a filter icon that says something like Advanced Search when you hover over it. Go ahead and select that. This will open a new panel or window with more detailed search options that let you filter exactly what you're looking for. Inside the Advanced Search view, find the option to add more filters. You should see a button that says Add Filter. Click that, and from the list that appears, choose the option labeled More. This is where you can refine your results beyond simple text searches, and it's where Asana hides some of the more specific status filters. After selecting More, look for a field related to status or task state. In that list, you'll see an option called Deleted. Select Deleted as your status. This tells Asana that you only want to see items that have been removed but are still recoverable within that 30-day period. Now click the Search button to run your advanced search. Asana will generate a list of all recently deleted items that match your filters. This may include tasks from different projects, so take a moment to scan through the results and look for the specific task you want to restore. You can usually recognize it by its name, project, assignee, or due date. Once you find the task you want to bring back, click on it to open its details, then look for the Undelete button. This might appear as a trash can icon with an arrow or a similar restore symbol. Click Undelete, and Asana will restore the task to its previous place, along with its associated details, as long as they're still within that recovery period.